Hi, today in front of me REALME GT Neo 3T, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast, correct? We just unlock the device less than in a couple of seconds, just in the 1 second or just in half of the second. This is the really good result for the fingerprint scanner. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.